Hi guys, today I will be unboxing the dent removal tool that I purchased. So here it is. So first time opening. So it comes with this spray bottle. This one is used for alcohol. Then it comes with the cloth. Then some scraper probably. So different sizes of the attachment. So I'll show you one by one the different sizes. They're all plastic. So there's a different shape of dents. So if you have a bigger dent, then see here, then a small one, then another set here, different sizes as well. I think that this one is similar to that one, so it will be two sets. Just that it will not open that one. Then this one for longer dents. Oh, still inside the plastic. Then this one is the heavy part. Probably I need to open this one. Just cut the plastic. Let's open. On this side. The rod. This one. So probably this one goes to here. Oh no, not really. Let's open this one as well. I am still figuring out how to use this. Probably this one is here. Then this one is like a plunger. It's a bit heavy. Then on the other end there should be a spring. I'm not sure. I'm not sure, maybe the spring is here. Then spacer. This one goes to the other end. I think that's it. Yeah, normally you just put it like this. So you attach something like this one, then put a glue and put it on the dent. Then you can start like this to pull out the dent. Okay, so by the way, before I finish the video, I will show you this one as well. So this one is for bigger or longer dents. So normally you put the glue here, then this one is slide here, then you can put this thing. So instead of this end, you can use this end. Just remove this one first. So you can attach this one here. Okay, then if you have a bigger dent, longer dent, then you can just use this one, the glue, and to the car. Then this one just like that to pull out the dent, like that. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching.